In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to find free paid games on Steam. If you want to find paid Steam games that are temporarily free, there are a few reliable methods that make the process much easier. The key thing to understand is that some games on Steam are normally paid, but for a limited time, they drop to zero cost as part of a promotion. In many cases, if you claim the game while that promotion is active, it stays in your library permanently. That's what makes these offers worth watching for. One of the best places to start is Steam's Specials section. This area is designed to highlight discounts, promotions, and limited time deals. When you browse through it, keep an eye out for titles that are discounted all the way to 100% off. That usually means the game is temporarily free to keep. This is different from a free weekend or a trial, because with a free to keep offer, once you add it to your account during the promotional window, it's yours permanently. Since these deals can expire quickly, it helps to check the specials section regularly so you don't miss anything. Another useful option is browsing Steam's free-to-play category. This category is a little different because these are not temporarily free paid games. Instead, they are games that are permanently free on the platform. Steam has a huge number of free-to-play titles, so if your goal is simply to expand your library without spending money, this section is definitely worth exploring. It's also a good way to discover new genres, multiplayer games, or smaller titles you may not have considered before. To make things even easier, you can also use giveaway trackers, such as SteamDB free promotions. A tracker like this helps you quickly spot games that are currently being offered for free, especially paid titles that have become free for a limited time. This can save you time compared to manually searching through the store every day. It's especially helpful if you want a more direct way to monitor active promotions without digging through multiple Steam pages. So, to sum it up, the main ways to find free paid games on Steam are checking the specials section for 100% discounts, browsing the free-to-play category for permanently free titles, and using a giveaway tracker like SteamDB free promotions to catch limited time offers faster. If you stay consistent and check often, you'll have a much better chance of building your Steam library with great games at no cost.